Floorcare.biz is proud to present the Noble's BR-2000 burnisher. The BR-2000 is a walk-behind cord-electric powered machine featuring a 20-inch burnishing path. This unit also features speeds of 2,000 RPMs at full load, simple and intuitive controls to minimize training, and a built-in dust collection system, making the Noble's BR-2000 a great addition to your equipment fleet. Your unit is covered under a dead-on-arrival and 30-day parts warranty. All machines in stock will ship out same day and arrive to you in 3 to 5 business days. To place an order, click the link in the description. Visit us online at floorcare.biz. Email us at sales@floorcare.biz or call us at 217-233-8932. We look forward to hearing from you. Floorcare.biz, where your floors are our business.